Oh yeah. Hey guys, and welcome to another video of me and Greenburg Nature Center. I will be taking the red path this time. We don't really know where it is, but last time we took the blue, and my brother's not here. He's with his dad. And I'm here with my mom and dad. We're taking the red path. We don't know where the red path is right now. We're just walking around to look where it is. We're not taking the purple or orange or yellow because it was the shorter ones, and this is the longest one. And some trees, branches down there, the parkway. Not that much stuff we could see, but there is stuff. Oh, yeah. See a huge thing right there that's covering that, cause I think that we can walk on fresh seating. Oh, we can't answer here. What? It's fresh seating.
I think over here. We follow the path.
But we can follow this path.
I think you're not supposed to go in there.
So we can go here?
Yeah.
And we're going this way. Let's see if we can find the red path. Alright, over here.
Windows view beehive? Right there.
See beehives, or maybe over there where bees live. So kind of, we're just taking a whole circle around it, aren't we? Taking a whole circle.
Maybe going straight ahead right there.
We could actually take this path right here.
Yeah, that's going to take you back to the same place you were.
So we can't go that way. Actually, no, so we can't go that way. We can see 1 rock,
Like
2 rock, 3 rock, 4 rock, 5 rock, 6 rock, 7 rock, 8 rock, 9 rock, 10 rock, and what do we got? Water holes. We're trying to find a red path, but we don't know where it is. Where's the red path?
Look, there's a butterfly seasonal exhibit, and the beehive, and the wildflower meadow.
So we're gonna go back this way. I'm gonna go on top of the rocks to show you. I'm gonna go on the rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Alright, gonna come. So walking back this way. Not that way, we're gonna walk this way. Oh, I thought there was a dead animal over there. Look at that sheep. See, more stuff over there. Oh. Puffy, wait! Nice little stand there. On the yellow flag with it, or
that might be the yellow path, the one through the middle.
And we're still trying to figure out what the red path is. So butterfly. We're gonna go see if there's any cut down trees. Oh no, anything over there? A cage over here. Tuck something. Cut down trees. People use the paper. So these are houses there. Cut down. So pile of sticks. I see nothing right now. Where's the red path? Where's the red path? Where's the red path?
No, we're looking.
For some reason we can't find the red path. So we'll keep looking. And that's the wrong step. So actually maybe on the red path, but just won't tell us where we are. Yeah. Cut down a tree. So go this way? Or are we going this way? Something's blocked over there. Oh, wait. Did you see that?
No.
It's an animal.
Where?
It just ran to the thing.
What was it then?
I saw something. I just saw something.
What kind of chipmunk?
Oh, that was B.
Yeah, the bumblebee.
B. Look, watch the video. When you put the video up, watch the video. Oh God, bumblebee. Yeah, I don't like bumblebees.
Yeah, it's a big bumblebee.
I got stung before by it, okay? So I don't like bumblebees.
Oh, look. That's a chipmunk. See it right there in the tree limb?
Yeah. A chipmunk. There's a playground over there. That's where the blue path was before. So I think they moved. I don't think we should go that way.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh yeah. You want to go this way or this way?
No, this way.
Huh?
This way, because we said that, haven't we?
No, that's the back path. That's that playground. We're going the right way then.
Oh, isn't that where the blue path went?
No, the blue path is on the opposite side of that.
Oh, so we're not going this way?
So this way. Why don't you go this way?
Okay. Where's the chipmunk? Oh, I see it. I see it. Wait, nope, I think I lost it. Yeah. I see a nice golf court for some reason that's blocking off everything. So we may be in bad path.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the path.
So
Going over there.
nice little golf court. Oh, the bird moved. Oh, he's right sitting. Oh, there's a bird right there. Oh, there's in the tree. Get it? What's this on my shoe? What's this black thing? Okay, I keep getting itchy. Something's going on my feet. I think this is a bad way to go. Hi, Jeremy.
What?
I think this is a bad way to go. What? What? I don't see anything.
Right there on top of that rock.
Where? Whoa, what do you see?
Watch the thing.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Wait, what is it? Wait, what is it? Who's taking a picture of?
Chipmunk.
Where's it? I don't see it.
Right on top of that rock.
Nice. I don't like this way. I want to go that way. I want to go the other way. I want to go that way.
You see it, right?
I don't see it.
Look right there. Here, watch. Watch that rock. You see it, right?
What?
You missed it.
I see
That
it.
was a squirrel. No, I saw a chipmunk.
I don't see it. I like the other path. I wanted to go the other path. I'm pretty sure we're going the wrong way.
Mommy's the hero today. Man.
How?
I told you the whole way.
What is this? This is where the bumblebees are. I can tell because there's a pollen everywhere. What's that? Oh, what'd you see? What'd you see?
It's like where those stones.
Where? At the little way. Look where it says North 40. Where's that mean? North 40.
Is the red path?
Oh, there's a chipmunk right there.
It's jumping like crazy. You see it?
Yeah. It doesn't see us. Oh, it did one of the tree.
Look, that's orange.
Oh, so we took the wrong way. I knew we should have went the other way. But which way is the orange way? Which way is the orange way go? Well, the orange way is saying this way. Saying that way. Should we follow the orange way?
I don't know.
Cause I haven't seen
the red yet.
Yeah, I've seen any red. 3 oranges. For some reason, I don't see any red. And you see
Let's go this way.
more orange. I think it's pretty saying this way, right? I think it's pretty much saying this way for orange. Oh, you can see a little bird right there. That just flew away over there. So where are we following the orange path?
Well, we're looking for the red, but I'm not seeing the red yet. Maybe it'll link up to the red.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, I think like with the red, it's supposed to
Mom
be.
totally told us to go the wrong way.
Well, we should have
Yeah,
went the
I'm
way.
just
We should have went the way I said. The other way. Remember that way? Okay. If we went the wrong way, that means the orange way took us a shorter path. Oh, my stomach hurt. I just saw something. What is that? Oh, that was a chipmunk, I think. There's a lot of chipmunks up here.
I saw a person here.
Yeah. I see an orange one right down there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see, but I see 2. One right there and one all the way behind it. And one right here. So I think it's telling us to go straight, right?
Just went inside that little hole in that log.
I guess that's where they live. Oh,
Look, that's blue.
where? Oh, so we can't go the blue way.
Okay, that's orange.
That's all.
What's this one?
That's blue. I can tell. I can see the blue.
You see the blue?
Yeah, it's all. You see that on that
So
one.
let's go this way. Let's take orange.
Okay.
Maybe it's not. Maybe it's supposed to be the red, and they marked it orange. You know?
Maybe you marked it wrong and just left
Maybe.
it orange.
Yeah, maybe.
Because orange could be red. Wait, Harvey?
Because if this was the one that was gonna go right across,
Hey, you see?
you know?
Hey, you see another orange right there.
Yeah. Maybe they ran out of red.
And they put the red at the end.
Yeah.
Like, finally. We keep walking straight. So I guess we're following the orange path now.
I guess.
I'm saying the orange path is... is this still recording?
Yeah.
So we're following the orange path and not the red path. I'm pretty sure the orange is the red. You can see another orange right there. A bird that just flew down. Birdie, bird, bird, birdie, bird. Ooh. Does it even know we're behind it?
tripping.
I know. You see another orange right there. What? Chipmunk?
See the chipmunk?
I heard sound of him. I guess that's where he goes. See that orange right there? Clearly the orange path is the red path. It's a long path. Here for like 25 minutes right now. Probably. Path runs. Keep looking straight. So let's try. See, I can see with effects on the evening of the internet.
Oh, this one. Super Sun Sandy.
They're lazy, they didn't clean it up yet.
I see 3 more, and I see a blue one. Hi, you see the blue one? It's right by.
We walked this way before.
I guess they're not. Oh wait.
You remember this?
Yeah, I remember this. Remember I jumped on top of those? Wait, there was another path here, remember?
Yeah, there was another path.
We did see another path here. We saw blue. Didn't we see yellow?
I remember when we came.
We saw blue and we
We
saw.
came this way.
Mm-hmm.
We came from that way, didn't we?
Yeah, we came from that way. We went straight. And we went straight because we can't go that way. So we went.
Hold on, this is on the map.
Wait. Oh, I know what we're doing. The orange path is taking us back this way,
Here, hold on.
where we went.
Hold on, hold on. Let me look at the map.
Yep.
The stump hedge, right?
Yes, stump edge. Oh, please don't tell me this way goes.